Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change language in Hellpoint. So what you want to do, you just in Hellpoint, then just click here on settings. In settings, you click here to gameplay and you're gonna see like language here. Right now you have option between French, Deutsch, Italian, Russian, Espanol, Portuguese, Japanese, Chinese and Korean. Maybe in future they will update more. But you can like easily change the language between these two. So this is pretty much it. Again, open the game, go to settings and click here language. Have a great day and goodbye.